Scared?
Wait. Wait, I can't get mine open.
Okay, okay. They were wrapping up. Okay, we're like,
yes.
Open it at the same time.
Yeah, you got...
1, 2, 3. I can't. Oh my gosh! What is it?
What? What is it?
Oh my god!
Danielle. What is it?
A contact case.
What are you going to do with that? You don't have contacts.
To the second box. To the second box away.
Stop it! Come here. It's over there. Come here.
So what do you think?
Yay.
Your appointment is tomorrow. Do we have to go to the doctor and get your eyes examined and all that, and then